Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. For people who don't know, I'm in Bikaner right now, and right now I'm standing at the chat of my place, and I wanted to talk here because I really like taking morning walks at my chat. Like I'll miss all this in Bombay like so much. मुझे ऐसे सुबह सुबह ऐसे छत पे वॉक करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. So yes, and the plan for today is right now it's 8:30 in the morning and सुबह सुबह बहुत ठंड रहती है. We were supposed to leave early in the morning, but then ठंड देख के I was like, we can't leave early. So yes, today I have a fun day out planned with my sister, elder sister Muskan, and I'm really excited to share everything with you guys. So the plan is to go to some really aesthetic places in Bikaner, and we will obviously not be able to cover all the aesthetic spots in Bikaner, but we'll try as much as we can. First on the list is Junagadh Fort. We'll be going to Junagadh Fort. Then we will go to Sursagar, the only lake in Bikaner, and then we'll go to Rampuria Haveli as well, which is really aesthetic. And the last one on the list is Lakshmi Naji Temple, which is one of the most popular temples in Bikaner. So these are the 4 things on our list right now, because we will leave around 11 o'clock and we have to be back around 5 or 6 because then we have functions to attend. So itne hi places ho पाएंगे, and जो places रह जाएंगे वो next time होगा. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please go and subscribe to it right now. Finally! This is called telepathy. Muskan got a chocolate for me and so did I.
So we are here at Junagadh right now. The only historical things here are Mansi and me though. Being totally
Feeling total touristy.
self-obsessed actually.
And people are looking at us, but we are shameless.
But हमको क्या सानू के एटीट्यूड लेके चल रहे हैं.
This place used to do her skincare and hair care.
Like imagine you walk.
And then sit there.
ये इतने पता है स्लिम से है इसलिए क्योंकि that time इतना रिस्क था कि कोई भी अटैक करने आ जाएगा. So to make sure कि जो एंटर हो रहा है उसके बराबर में कोई भाग ना जाए.
That's the reason it's so patla.
Be you.
Eating chocolate. Very tired.
Because she looks dramatic, worthy, tourist worthy, totally Indian I suppose.
And pink for your wedding?
नहीं, it's too cliche pink for the wedding, no.
But Muskan, your wedding outfit inspiration is done.
I'll wear it in Sangeet, no.
I'm hungry.
Can we go
out to eat now?
Let's see.
So we are back
Hi guys.
at a restaurant to eat. how much I'm eating here is nothing of how much I eat in Bombay.
तो ड्रामा है, हर जगह कहती है कुछ खिला दे कुछ खिला दे। हट। So we'll go to Rampuria Haveli.
Yes.
Basically, everybody knows that it's a very, very historical place when it comes to Rajasthan. But we, Gen Z wale log, purely, they go for bhel over there. Not just Gen Z, everyone goes for bhel over there because it's good. You get nice jhal over there. Let's go.
It's really good, but not better than Bombay.
Even I miss Mumbai ka bhel, man. Let's go only.
Let's go Bombay. For all those who say that two girls cannot be best friends or two sisters cannot love each other that
They're
much.
lovers, bro.
Yes. Lovers, bro. No nazar. No nazar means no nazar. Please.
We've lost a lot of people.
Yes.
This year. No.
And we love each other. Fifth person.
Cheers to us meeting again in Mumbai and having
Yeah.
more than this.
The only thing I miss about Bikaner, to be really honest, is Muskan. And I love her.
I don't know why I feel I have a compliment, but I'm also offended being the person who stays in this town.
Yeah, no offense, but I love you.
None taken. I love you more, my little baby. Hi, Mansi.
Hi, Muskan.
So, I had a wonderful day with you, honestly.
Same. I love you so much.
Don't forget to forward me the pictures.
Yes.
I love that.
Yes.
Also, to end the day on a beautiful note, here are the roses for you.
And for my favorite sister, I've got roses again.
Again, telepathy.
Yes. I love you so much. And thank you for making me explore Bikaner with you. So,
Yeah.
huge thanks. Even after not keeping that well, thank you so much. I love you. And I can't wait for you to come to Bombay and explore Bombay with me. I love you.
Guys, please stay tuned to my channel till at least next year so that whenever I visit her, I am doing exactly the same thing.
Yes.
With that accent also. You know.
You know.